Welcome to this video, a beginner's guide on what is infrastructure as code. We will explore how to manage your technology infrastructure through code, moving away from manual configuration. Infrastructure is the foundation of your applications, encompassing servers, networks, storage, and databases. Traditionally, setting up this infrastructure was a manual, time-consuming process done through command-line interfaces or web consoles, often leading to human error. The manual approach presents significant challenges. It is time-consuming, error-prone due to inconsistencies, difficult to scale across environments, and hard to track changes over time. Infrastructure as code, or IaC, revolutionizes this by defining infrastructure via configuration files written in code. Instead of manual steps, you write declarative or imperative code that precisely describes your required infrastructure. These files are version-controlled, reviewed, and automatically provision your infrastructure. The IaC process is straightforward. First, you write configuration files. Next, you apply these files using an IaC tool. Finally, the tool communicates with your cloud provider or on-premises systems to create and configure the infrastructure exactly as specified. There are two main approaches to IaC. Declarative IaC defines the desired end state, and the tool figures out the how. Examples include Terraform and AWS CloudFormation. Imperative IaC involves writing step-by-step commands, defining the exact process, such as with the AWS Cloud Development Kit. Popular IaC tools include Terraform, a declarative tool working across multiple cloud providers. AWS CloudFormation is a native AWS service using JSON or YAML templates. Azure Resource Manager is Microsoft's declarative approach for managing Azure infrastructure as code. The benefits of IaC are numerous: consistency across environments, speed in deployment, version control for tracking changes, automation via CI/CD, living documentation through configuration files, and cost efficiency by spinning up resources only when needed. IaC has vital real-world applications. It simplifies cloud migration and ensures consistent configurations. It enables continuous deployment by automating environment provisioning and is crucial for disaster recovery, allowing quick rebuilding of infrastructure from code. To get started with IaC, learn the basics using a tool like Terraform and its documentation. Practice locally with free cloud accounts and contribute to the community by engaging in forums and open source projects. IaC is a key modern skill. Start your journey now.